I'd like to highlight one thing here. There was this Me Too campaign going on, Me Too movement was on, and many women came here, right here in Planet Bollywood, and shared their stories. And they constantly told us that we are so depressed at the moment because we have to go back, think about what we went through, narrate it to people, tell it out loud. So that entire process was so difficult for them and painful.
Yeah.
And Shama, you've also been very brave, and you've spoken about sexual abuse. And it is a major trigger
Yes.
for depression as well.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, when I was going through all my therapies, so my psychiatrist, she also sort of focused more on therapies than medicines because, thank God she believed in it, and I liked. I've always been very spiritual as well myself, and I've been quite aware. But I think somewhere as we grow older, we forget as to whatever has happened to us. We become immune to it, and our logical mind sort of,
Yes, takes
because
over.
it takes over because it wants to save you from all the pain. It doesn't
absolutely.
want to keep reminding
Yeah,
you of all that.
yeah,
So that memory somewhere exists painfully. Like it's a painful memory, but you are not even aware of it that it exists until unless you really go into yourself, you meditate, and you face that memory again, and then I realized कि यार मेरी प्रॉब्लम आज की नहीं है, मेरी प्रॉब्लम तो 4 साल की मैं जब की थी तब की है, या 5 साल की उम्र में किसी ने मुझे अगर सेक्सुअल अब्यूज किया हो या किसी तरह का कुछ किया हो उसकी है.
I found out that a lot of child molestations are child perpetrators.
Yeah.
There is child on child molestation as well. So you have no imagine what those children are having happened to them in their homes.
Absolutely.
And the adults who are perpetrators as well, needless to say, have been through something traumatic in
absolutely.
their upbringings as well.
Absolutely.
I'm not saying this to condone behavior. I just want to put this out there. But I'm just trying to sort of, this is the point of us talking, right? Is to show everybody's point of view.
Right.
To throw light on everything. और जब Me Too movement शुरू हुआ था, मैं यहाँ पे नहीं थी और मुझे बहुत सारे फ़ोन कॉल्स आ रहे थे कि आपके साथ हुआ नहीं हुआ, और बहुत सारे लोग इंडस्ट्री में हैं थैंकफुली जो मेरे दोस्त हैं उनको पता था कि मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, और तब मेरे सामने ये चॉइस था कि मैं कुछ बोलूँ या ना बोलूँ. और जैसे आपने कहा कि आई वॉज वेरी ट्रामेटाइज्ड बिकॉज आई रीलिव्ड everything that I've been through as a woman. And by the way, हम सारे लड़कियां कह रहे कि Me Too movement हुआ था, मैं इंतजार करी उस दिन की जब the boys come up and tell us what's happened to them in the industry, because मेरे कितने सारे model male friends हैं who I know have done some very horrible things to get work.
Right.
I know these people.
Two brave boys came on our show as well. They spoke about it.
Yeah.
But of course, the ratio is 90 to 10.
Because it's not cool to talk about it if you're a guy.
Right.
If you're a guy and if you have to sleep with somebody for work, didn't you enjoy it, dude?
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
It's awful. So, जब Me Too movement, sorry, doctor, आप कुछ कहने वाले थे?
जी.
Yeah, I said I've been seeing a lot of Me Too victims who are also boys.
That's great.
See,
That's great to know.
yeah.
That's great to know. And I think that, so coming back to what I was saying before is, तो मैंने फैसला किया था उस वक्त, because I'm thankfully in a better place in life. मैंने कहा कि I don't want to share my story. That is personal to me. जो हुआ था it was ugly, but I've healed from it. I need to focus on what about the people who went through it. उनका क्या हो रहा है, वो क्या सोच रहे हैं, उन्होंने कैसे कोप किया था, सिर्फ Me Too के नहीं, but girls who've been sexually molested, boys who've been sexually molested, or just have been through something traumatic as children. If you've lost a parent when you were a child, anything could have happened, right?
But we have seen of lately glamour industry coming forward. Is it because of the insecurities? Because you guys are from the industry, you'll help us know better.
Yeah. You know, I mean, I don't know what to say. It's just, look, okay, this is my, leaving aside कि मैं depression से लड़ रही थी, और I was struggling with anxiety and all of these kind of things. I think मैंने ये profession दिल से मैंने चुना था, right? I love this job. And I was also willing to accept कि अगर हर किसी के job में challenges होते हैं, right? It's what you're willing, like Chetna always says, what are you willing to do for what you want?
But यहाँ पे challenge है कि you have to look good, perfect body.
लेकिन मैं सिर्फ एक दूसरा पर्सपेक्टिव दिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि हाँ, इनसिक्योरिटीज बहुत ही एम्फसाइज्ड है और परफेक्ट होने की बहुत ही एम्फसिस होती है, लेकिन दैट इज ऑल्सो आपका जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है आपने अपनी खुद से, वो आपके ऊपर है, राइट? व्हाट इज योर आइडिया ऑफ परफेक्ट? व्हाट जॉब, इफ I used to, I will not take names, मगर जब मैंने मिस इंडिया जब मैं जीती थी, मुझे हर साल एक फेयरनेस प्रोडक्ट के लिए कॉल आता था, हर साल, और वो कहते थे कि लेकिन हम इतना पैसे देने वाले हैं, हम ये, मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं नहीं करूंगी, पहले तो मैं गोरी हूँ नहीं, और मुझे नहीं ना ही गोरी बननी है, and also I'm brown and I like it, right? So it's now that is aside from the fact that I was feeling all these things anyway.
The thing is, I've also been in practice now in the last 30 years, and I've seen a lot of people from your industry. You know, the problems that you all go through are a little different.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, I see my actor friends and clients, you know, I can step out with a bad hair day,
Right.
Yeah.
right?
Right.
But they are constantly in the limelight.
Yeah.
You know, and you're as famous or as successful as your
Last job.
film.
Absolutely.
I know.
You know.
Yeah. I mean, I know.
Also, what happens is, and the more successful you get,
Yeah.
you know, somewhere there's a pressure to keep proving on
Yeah.
on yourself.
Absolutely.
You may work for 2 years, 3 years for a movie,
Yeah.
and when that movie is released,
And does
within
not
10
do well.
minutes, one go to exactly go to
Absolutely.
write
God
for.
forbid doesn't do
Absolutely.
well, and
And
all
it's
your efforts.
unfortunate that suddenly the whole pressure is on the actor.
On the actor, yeah.
बाकी जिन्होंने काम किया उनका कुछ नहीं. एक्टर मनुष्य है, हीरोइन मनुष्य है, हीरो मनुष्य है.
हीरोइन को ज्यादा मिलता है वैसे.
हीरोइन
मैं
हीरोइन
जरा
ज्यादा
बताऊं.
मनुष्य होती
हाँ,
है.
हीरोइन ना वो I've been told that I was Panvati.
Yeah, me too.
I was told
too, dude.
Oh
in
my
front
God.
of a bunch of people
Oh
that
my
I
God.
was Panvati. Do you have any idea how I felt?
Yeah.
Right? मेरे बारे में मैं अक्सर चीज पढ़ती हूँ जो मुझे खुद नहीं पता.
Story of our life.
ये मैंने कब किया? उन्होंने नहीं ये वो
मैं उधर गई थी?
the विराट कोहली story यार. My dad called me. You're dating Virat Kohli? I said no. I've never even met him. I've never been in the same room as him.